So it's only my second flight after a 9-year break in flying, and this rusty pilot almost hits a bird.
That was a nice landing on 8. I liked it. Hey, little bird, don't hit us.
Oh,
Look,
wow.
bird, don't hit us. That's as close as a bird has ever come to me.
I've had a bird shatter a canopy.
No kidding.
Yeah.
Wow.
Well, there you have it, folks. Second flight in, and we almost hit a bird. Don't forget to click the link if you want to watch the full video, and consider subscribing to follow the flying adventures of one rusty pilot.